Good afternoon. Welcome to my camp. Isn't it pretty outside? Oh my goodness. What a great day to be alive. We're in the northern Utah mountains in October for a little fall camp out. And I had a little bit of time by myself here in camp waiting for family to show up, and thought I'd take a time to talk about a project I'm going to start on. So, a little note about this project. Me and my kids watch way too much YouTube. We don't really watch normal TV. We like YouTube. You learn a lot on YouTube. And they've always joked, like, hey Dad, you should start a YouTube channel. And I've always laughed and thought, that's silly, I'm not gonna do that. But I've recently retired from the Air Force, and I've discovered I've got a lot of time on my hands. And so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna make YouTube videos. Now, I don't know that I'm actually gonna be any good at this, but I'm gonna try. I have no expectation that I'm gonna get a lot of followers or that people are even gonna like what I'm doing. Don't really care. Best case scenario, I get famous and people sponsor me, give me lots of cool stuff, and I make lots of money and yada, 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 yada. Yeah, probably not gonna happen. Worst case scenario, I make some cool videos that my kids enjoy, and one day I can, show my grandkids. Something for people to remember me by many years down the road. Anyways, so some expectations. I'm not a professional influencer or videographer, and half the time I can't even talk. So yeah, you get to put up with that. If the quality of these videos suck, cool, you get what you pay for. Sorry. So some themes for this channel. It's gonna mostly revolve around the machines that I like to ride, like this over here. Check this out. This is awesome. This is one of the machines you're gonna see a lot of. It's a 2002 Honda 400EX. One of these days I'll upload a picture of what that used to look like when we bought it. Me and my youngest rebuilt that from the ground up. Also, to spend quite a bit of time over riding my 2024 Harley Davidson Lowrider ST. So a lot of this footage is going to revolve around me being on the machines that I enjoy. That being said, I'm not really a professional rider, and I do a lot of dumb stuff. Working on getting better. If you see me do dumb stuff, please drop a comment. Let me know. Call me out. I'm not proud. I like to do fun things, and I like to not die. So please. I'm also really cheap and don't like to pay mechanics. So I do a lot of the work myself. And again, if you see me doing silly things, working on my machines, if I post a video and you're like, hey, hey, dum dum, why'd you do that? Yeah, let me know. Call me out. The other thing that I plan to do with this channel is use this as a platform while I'm riding and get some really good footage of my adventures, but also kind of talk about the things that are on my mind, thoughts that I'm having, feelings that I'm having. Maybe they'll be of value to people, maybe they won't. But they're my thoughts, they're my own. I am not a well-versed philosopher. I'm just a dude who's lived some years and likes to run his mouth. Anyway, so yeah, that's the channel. This is Chill Moto. And yeah, I'm gonna get back to enjoying my camp. So beautiful out here today. All right, see ya.